Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Ever heard of Spam Musubi? This simple yet iconic Hawaiian snack combines savory spam, sticky rice, and a wrap of nori into a handheld bite that's packed with flavor. Born from Hawaii's love for spam and Japanese influence, it's a go-to for locals and visitors alike, whether as a quick snack or a filling meal. Easy to make and even easier to love. It's no wonder this dish has become a staple in Hawaiian cuisine. Whether you're new to Spam Musubi or already a fan, there's something satisfying about its salty-sweet balance. In this guide, we'll break down why it's so beloved and share how you can make your own at home. What is Spam Musubi? Spam Musubi is Hawaii's answer to portable, flavorful comfort food. Imagine a sushi roll, but instead of fish, it's filled with crispy, glazed spam and perfectly seasoned rice, all wrapped in a crisp sheet of nori, seaweed. It's simple, satisfying, and undeniably addictive. Born from Hawaii's multicultural roots, Spam Musubi blends Japanese influence, think onigiri, or rice balls, with the island's long-standing love for spam, introduced during World War II. Whether eaten for breakfast, lunch, or a snack, it's a dish that's deeply woven into local life. The three core ingredients, spam, rice, and nori, come together in a way that's greater than the sum of its parts. Sweet, salty, and savory, each bite delivers a taste of Hawaii's unique food culture. The history of Spam Musubi. Spam Musubi's story starts during World War II, when spam became a staple in Hawaii due to its long shelf life and military rations. After the war, spam stuck around, and locals began incorporating it into traditional Japanese dishes like musubi, rice balls. The modern version of Spam Musubi is credited to Barbara Funamura, a Hawaii resident who popularized the idea of layering grilled spam over rice and wrapping it with nori. By the 1980s, it had become a local favorite, sold everywhere from convenience stores to family gatherings. Today, it's a symbol of Hawaii's ability to blend flavors and traditions into something entirely its own. Why is Spam Musubi so popular? Spam Musubi isn't just food, it's a cultural icon. Here's why it's everywhere in Hawaii, and why visitors quickly become fans. Portability. Wrapped tight in nori, it's the perfect grab-and-go snack for busy days. No utensils needed. Affordability. Made with inexpensive ingredients, it's a budget-friendly meal that doesn't skimp on flavor. Versatility. Some like it simple with soy sauce glaze, while others add extras like egg or furikake, a Japanese seasoning mix. Nostalgia. For many locals, it's tied to childhood memories, school lunches, or beach picnics. Its popularity also comes down to taste. The combination of salty spam, sweet marinade, and fluffy rice hits all the right notes, making it irresistible after just one bite. Whether you're a first-timer or a lifelong fan, Spam Musubi has a way of winning people over, one slice at a time. How to make Spam Musubi. Ready to bring a taste of Hawaii to your kitchen? Spam Musubi is surprisingly simple to make, requiring just a few ingredients and minimal effort. The key lies in balancing the salty sweet glaze with fluffy rice and crispy spam. Ingredients for Spam Musubi. You'll need these basics, with options to tweak based on preference. 1 can of spam, regular or low sodium for a milder flavor. 2 cups cooked short grain white rice, sushi rice works best, but brown rice is a healthy swap. 1/4 cup soy sauce, or reduced sodium if preferred. 1/4 cup sugar, balances the saltiness, or substitute with honey. 2 tablespoons mirin, a sweet rice wine, skip it if unavailable. 4 sheets nori, seaweed, cut into strips, or use pre-cut musubi wraps. Optional extras, furikake seasoning, scrambled egg, or a dab of sriracha for heat. A musubi mold, or spam can with both ends removed, helps shape the rice neatly, but you can also press it by hand. Step-by-step cooking instructions. Slice and cook the spam. Open the can and cut the Spam into even slices, about 1/4 inch thick. Pan fry over medium heat until lightly browned, about 2 minutes per side. Remove and set aside. Make the glaze. In the same pan, mix soy sauce, sugar, and mirin. Simmer for 1 to 2 minutes until slightly thickened. Return the Spam to the pan, coating each slice in the glaze. Let it soak for 30 seconds, then set aside. Prepare the rice. Cook rice according to package instructions. While warm, season lightly with a pinch of salt or a splash of rice vinegar if desired. Keep it covered to prevent drying out. Assemble the musubi. Place a strip of nori on a clean surface. Position the musubi mold, or Spam can, in the center. Fill the mold with rice, pressing down firmly. Top with a glazed Spam slice. Lift the mold, then wrap the nori tightly around the rice and Spam. Seal the edge with a little water or leftover glaze. Serve or store. Enjoy warm, or wrap individually in plastic for later. They'll keep in the fridge for 1 to 2 days, just reheat briefly to refresh the nori's crispness. Pro tip: wet your hands slightly when handling rice to prevent sticking. For extra flavor, sprinkle furikake between the rice and Spam. Variations of Spam Musubi. Once you've mastered the classic Spam Musubi, why not switch things up? This adaptable dish welcomes creativity. Below are 2 delicious twists to try, whether you're craving bolder flavors or a plant-based version. Teriyaki Spam Musubi. Want an extra layer of sweetness? Teriyaki glazed Spam takes the dish to the next level. The key is marinating the Spam before cooking, letting the flavors soak in. Here's how to do it. Prep the marinade. Mix soy sauce, brown sugar, mirin, grated ginger, and minced garlic. Cut the Spam into slices, about 1/4 inch thick, and let them sit in the marinade for at least 15 minutes, overnight for maximum flavor. Cook the Spam. Pan fry the slices until caramelized, about 3 minutes per side. Reserve the marinade, simmer until it thickens slightly, then brush it over the cooked Spam. Assemble as usual with rice and nori. The result? A sticky sweet version with deeper umami notes. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.